morning, Minnesota 2024. I just got set up here. It's a beautiful evening. My brothers set up Andrew a few miles away. They're on the way over there now. Should be an exciting evening. Beautiful scenery spot here. We're out with Bernie Behringer and looking forward to see what this evening has to offer. It's the second night of 2024 Minnesota bear hunting. I'm up here hunting with Bernie Behringer, which has been amazing. I'm in the stand that my brother shot a really nice 312-pound male last night. He had seen 8 bears, and it was just a zoo around here. So Bernie thought it would be a good idea, and everyone thought the same, that I should come back here and see if we can go 2 for 2 out of this stand. See how this night unfolds. Well, it's 5:53. I just shot my first black bear ever. I want to thank Bernie Behringer and Bill and the rest of the crew. And of course my brother Andrew, who's been bear hunting before, and I gotta say, I am now hooked. Thanks, guys.
He always says this stuff. I showed him the picture and oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah.
What's up?
You guys get good video?
I got a really good video.
Awesome. That's exciting.
So,
All right.
well, let's pop
There's
it
another
down.
guy coming with a bear, friend of mine.
You want to
So-
drive over there?
We got another one coming?
This Kirk that I showed, showed him 2 spots to hunt. He killed one tonight. So, yeah.
Watch out on your head, guys.
That one laid on the file too.
Well, we know who shot it. It's the guy smiling.
Something.
What loses his weight makes up in beauty, though.
Yeah, that's
Right.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Shot. You got to pass through, and the bear went south. So,
Let's roll, huh? You and me?
yeah, yeah. We
Josh,
might as
is
well.
that the son-in-law?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, it's a nice bear, too.
Yeah, it's a dandy. Where's this one get shot? Right before you turn off on 52, when
That's good, buddy.
that new blacktop is right there.
Yeah.
Just back in about a half a mile from there. Nice. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey, nice bear.
Thank you.
All right, good job.
Thank you.
You get him in there by yourself?
No, I got him in the side by myself. My neighbor helped me throw him from the side by into here. I beat the living crap out of myself getting him in the side by side. Took 3 ratchet straps and.
Got another one down. Josh has got one.
Oh, that's a pretty.
Look at that white patch.
I'm pretty sure that's the one we saw
Yeah,
running
it's
down
about
the
the
trail.
size, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Are you gonna do a front half mount then? Yeah, that's a great choice for that bear.
Yep.
Okay. Well, here we go again, day 2, and we're killing bears like crazy. We're on our way to pick up Josh, who just texted me that he arrowed a bear. He said it got a great pass through and it went south, so it headed for the swamp. We were in the middle of skinning Alex's bear when that happened, and we had another bear in line. Kirk is a guy that I met up here. It has a cabin. He's from Iowa. He has a cabin on White Swan Lake, and he asked me to help him find some bait sites, which I did. I went out and helped him find 2 bait sites, and he thinks he's got 3 bears on 2 bait sites. Killed a heck of a nice 200-pound male tonight. So the bears are dropping like flies. But we're gonna go pick up Josh right now and see if we can find his bear. So been probably 15 minutes since he shot. Let's go. How's it feel?
Good.
Yeah, good shot.
Is Mario over there?
I didn't look actually.
I think I can see it, so. Looked like it passed through, and I heard it moan a little bit.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That's what we like to hear. All right, need help down with anything?
I got it. I'm ready. I've been in bears for 4 hours.
Yeah, I know it. We've been looking at the pictures on the cell camera, and we're like, I wonder if he's going to shoot that one. I wonder if he's going to shoot that one.
This is the one I found. Most of them didn't have a shot at, though. They're
Yeah. They
quarter
were
towards
laying
me.
down and stuff. And
At one point, this one I got was about 20 yards over here on top of a log.
oh, you saw him?
Yeah, he was trying to come in, they got scared off, and then came back in.
Awesome. Congratulations, man. Let's go get him.
That off.
You blew up his heart. It looks
Is that too bright? Or?
No.
He's looking up.
No.
Look Look up.
My photos!
So was it exciting, or you see
Very
him come see him come in, or the only one
He
you've seen,
actually
or
came in
others
from
seen?
behind me, and I had just put my stand up this morning, or this afternoon about 1 o'clock, and he looked up at me sniffing my ladder, and then proceeded onto the bait, and I shot him, and that was it. I sat for about 3 hours, and that was it.
That's the only one you've seen then, or?
I have another bait to the west, about 4 miles to the west, and I saw a smaller one last night, and I passed on him. And then this guy came out to my bait. I've been baiting for, this is the 10th day, and he finally hit it yesterday on the 9th
Oh, really?
day. And I saw him on my camera, and I decided to sit in that tree stand and got lucky.
Lucky.
It's all, this guy helped me tremendously.
Well,
Tremendously.
we got good teamwork going on here.
Yeah, tremendously, and I can't say enough how the knowledge you
Appreciate that.
yeah,
That's-
it's fantastic.
I get a lot of pleasure out of helping people shoot bears.
This
and
is fantastic. Yeah,
got
it was
great-
fun.
Well,
Yeah, I can't believe he came up to my tree and stood up sniffing on my ladder,
yeah.
looking right at me. I'm thinking, he's gonna go the other way.
A sow and a boar, and he was definitely bigger than the first one. And so I looked and I could see that he was like this long, and I'm like, you know what? I'm like, that's a good bear.
Yeah.
And then so I drilled him, had the receptacle on, and then I heard him go, stop, and then tip over and gurgle.
Oh yeah.
I knew he was dead right
So
away.
he didn't go very far at all.
Like, he didn't go more than 25 yards. So, it's a good bear.
Yeah.
Respectable.
Yeah, absolutely.
Dead one.
Really good bear.
You want some of that?
You think it's 231?
Yeah,
That other
that's
front
right.
leg. There you
I'm
go.
just gonna hold this with my foot. So
Yeah, we gotta get it up higher or else this ain't gonna
you
work.
gotta get
We
the
do have
head
a,
over the end
there's
of
a
it.
bar in Des Moines, and they
Okay,
have,
there
it
we
looks
go.
like the,
I did the same thing.
It's not seasoned though.
They won't give me any information on the ones that have collars on them because they don't want you to go, oh, he's over there. You know what I mean? But once the bear's dead, the biologist, he just sends me all the data, and I just open up this Google Earth file, and here's all of these pings, hundreds of pings where this is where he was, and he'll have the one bear. There was like this pocket of like hundreds of them in this one small area, and so I zoomed in on it and looked at it, and it was all November to March. So he was in a den on an island in a lake.
Oh, really?
Yeah.